Hey, how's it going? This is my Scripture Journal application. It's made using Razor Web Pages and Visual Studio. Some of the things that I added was a total note counter. This will update when we add a new note, as well as a most recent note added. The reason I did this is because I thought it'd be nice to keep track of how many notes you've made, and as well as when the last time you made a note was. I know a lot of the time I'll go through and I'll make a lot of notes, and then I'll kind of forget for a couple of days, and I figure this will help me keep track of when I've been making notes and how well I've done to keeping up with that. If we hit this My Scripture Journal button, it'll take us to the journal itself. You can see we've got a bunch of entries. We can go ahead and sort by book. So if we say maybe 3rd Nephi, we can search for that, and it'll show us our two 3rd Nephi entries. And if we want to narrow it down, maybe we just want to see which ones we think are cool, we can put cool in there, search, and then we'll just see that one. And then if we want, we can get rid of this, go back to all, and then you can see it shows us all of them again. Additionally, we can sort by date. So you can see we've got date ascending, date descending, so then we're showing the most recent ones first. And then you can also search by, or sort by book, so from A to Z, and it'll go from 0 to 9. And then from A to Z, maybe you've got some other scriptures you're studying from that have zeros in front of them or something like that. And then just to show, we can do book Z to A, and then we're in that reverse order. Additionally, we can add a new entry. Maybe I want to just read something from 4th Nephi, and it's going to be chapter 1, verse 1. And maybe I didn't read this, but I just need to go read this verse. And then you can see it automatically has the date added for us here. You can go in and adjust it if you want to. I liked having it put it automatically, so I just made it go ahead and do that for us, and then we can create that. And then you can see down here, right, I really need to read this verse. Additionally, we can go ahead and edit this if we want to and say maybe I really need to go read this verse. And it's right there. Additionally, we can go look at the details. It'll just show us that information for just this one. We can go back to list. And then before I delete it, I'm going to go ahead and go back to this home screen here. And you can see that it updated when that most recent note was added. Just so it keeps track, like I said. And it went ahead and added another to our total notes. And then if we want to go ahead and delete this, we can delete it. It'll make us confirm. We can hit delete. And then it gets rid of it. And if we go back to that home screen, you can see it just shows us our most recent one was the one we made before that. So that was at 116. And then the total notes went down again. That's pretty much it. Aside from that, you can see that I did some extra styling for the website, some nice colors. I adjusted the footer here just because I always kind of think they look bad and I wanted mine to look a little prettier. But it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.